Is for the combiner box as well?
Yeah. So this is for one string.
Okay. What does the combiner box do? It combines the...
Yeah, it combines. So this is combiner blocks. So because these panels here, these 9 panels, gonna be combined with that 4 panels over there.
Gotcha.
So make it one string, one face.
Gotcha.
And this other one, this 9, 10, 11, gonna be combined with one string that goes in here.
Awesome.
So it's not a combiner. It's terminator blocks, terminal blocks where it connects the roof. So these ones comes here, then the one that I'll be connecting from down here to the combiner AC will be on top. That's
Gotcha.
how I do it. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Washer.
So one.
Jamie. My boy Jay.
One never climbed the tree. You only climb the tree in the movie. Perfect. So this is the grounding, grounding bushings. It's called grounding bushings.
Okay.
Because by code, when you're doing a metal, as long as you're doing a metal, you have to put a grounding bushings because it's metal. So when you get the ground, you have to bond it with that metal and goes to the main ground. Okay. So that's what it is. It is. That's gonna come here. I'm gonna splice it. It goes inside, squeeze it, and goes in here.
Gotcha.
Yeah.